Now that I'm on the viewer page, I don't have a way in the interface to get back to the home page. I could press back. I could remove this if I knew the URL pattern. What we'd like to do though is add a home button here in the header. So let me grab that, and we're just going to add it to the viewer.html template. So let me go to templates, Earth Engine, viewer.html, and I'm just going to add this up here near the top after the import gizmos. Okay. And it's essentially we're using this header buttons block, and we add a kind of follow this format to get the button up there. I'll let you study that out on your own. Okay, and there it is. There's our home button. Go home, launch the viewer. It's great. It's working fine. So one last thing that we need to do, if I try and load one of these layers, nothing is happening. Okay, or if I try and do the plot AOI, if we look in here, we see some errors. 404 not found, and there's a reason for this. It's because it's trying to use AJAX calls, if you recall from the first tutorial, that are relative to this page. And we changed the underlying URL structure of this app. So we need to go back to our URL maps, and what we need to do is change these URLs to be relative to the viewer URL. Okay, so instead of just Earth Engine image collection, we're going to say Earth Engine viewer get image collection and Earth Engine viewer get time series, so that they're relative to this new endpoint for our map. And we'll wait for it to restart. There we go. Let's try loading a layer now. Oh great, it's working. Okay, and let me just try switch over to this one, load, drop a point, and plot. Let's see how that works. Not a very interesting plot, but it's working, so that's all good. And that concludes the solution for the Add Home Page tutorial.